Well, greetings, VAC fans, especially those who like dull and boring particle tests. So I have two 2015 Hoover bagless machines. I read several places online in recent months that if you have a vacuum, it doesn't really matter what type it is, after it gets a number of years old, the general recommendation from, well, some people that I've obviously taken a look at is that you take these machines and you just toss them out. That they get so much bacteria and build up in general garbage in them that they are unsavable. Now, you know I recondition machines, and you can take a look at the refurbishment videos where you see both of these machines lovingly refurbished. So this one needed a belt, obviously a massive cleaning, and also its main feed tube is in the back there, needed 3 holes plugged with hot glue. This machine right here was somewhat of a mess, but it needed an entire hose length replaced right there. And of course, these machines are in reasonable condition right now. So the question is, I guess, used and abused machines, although a good vigorous cleaning, will that be enough to go and take these 5-year-old machines that are supposedly both, let's see, right there and right there, sealed HEPA rated? Will these machines still clean the air? So let's start our particle counter, get an initial room rating, and then we will run both of these machines one at a time for 10 minutes each in my closed room. And my closed room is a practical room with obviously walls, carpet, a little bit of furniture, and about 900 cubic feet of air when you subtract the furniture. So let's see, our initial air quality is turning out to be, well, obviously it's well into the green. If you take a look at that white vertical line for those people who are new to, let's see if I get my finger up there somewhere, right there, that little white vertical line, that's slammed all the way over to the green. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. And you can see 0.3 microns, 2.5 microns, and of course 10 microns, which has a 0 count. All right, so let's start the test with the Hoover Whole House Elite first and see just how bad it is. All right. It doesn't seem that, it really doesn't seem like this Whole House Elite is winning any awards. Let's take a look at the final reading after 10 minutes in a closed room. Meh. It's not winning any awards, that's for sure. Now, if you go back in my closed room particle playlist, you will see things like rainbows and Kirby's and other stuff like that, and you'll see their numbers go up and go down depending on what machine you're looking at. But it appears that this particular machine, after 5 years of use and abuse, isn't really cleaning the air all that much. And my particle counter is set up like the one video previous to this. It's about 3 feet off the ground, and this is about 3 feet away from the machine. So no real appreciable change. It's pretty insignificant. Now, the filters in this particular machine right here, I believe are original. I don't have any reason to believe that they've been changed. And it's possible if you put new filters in, you may get some better results. But be that as it may, in its current condition, we'll say that it does no harm. Okay, let's move on to the air steerable and see if we get similar results, I suppose. Okay, here we go with the air steerable, and let's get an initial baseline reading. Oh, these tests are so boring, but they can be revealing, I suppose, if people care about them. You know what I'll have to do is, after this test is over, I will show you all the filters. I'll show you the condition of all of them. You've seen them in the refurbishment videos, but for those who haven't seen that, I'll show you what those look like. And there's the baseline. All right, let's kick it off. we might have somewhat of a winner here. Let's find out. I was just noticing a general downward trend. Maybe it's just because the filters are in better shape. Who really knows? With filters this many years old, beats me. Yeah, that's a general downward trend. Now, it's not much. I'm not going to, jump up and down and shout yeehaw too much, but it's definitely gone down. I can't really say that for the Whole House Elite, although I think the Whole House Elite suffered a different type of abuse than the Air Steerable. Okay, so looking at the final reading for the Air Steerable, yeah, it definitely cleans the air. It's not much, but it makes the air a little bit better. And the Whole House Elite, no, not really. Seemed to be about even Steven, not really changing a whole lot. All right, let's take a look at the filters for both machines. Put that out of the way. So we got this guy right here, and this guy right here. So let's take a closer look. And here we go. I don't think they look too bad. I mean, obviously this one has, carbon dust emissions on it. It's always going to do that. And then here's the other sides. Okay, let's take a look at let's take a look at the Hoover. They're both Hoovers. Let's take a look at the Whole House Elite filters. This guy here, and this other one slides up like that. All right, here we go. Now, I think that's supposed to actually be that way, like a charcoal filter, that kind of thing. That's not actually dirt in any way, shape, or form. And here's the other sides. So pretty clean.